Kind of consider this like a lifetime table. You buy it once and then you're done, because this thing is so well made and heavy duty. You're going to have this thing forever. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Office Star rectangular center folding portable table. I just took it out of the box, and this is how it comes to you. One of the first things that I notice is when you take it up is just how beefy and heavy duty this table is. It's got some weight to it, which is good, which is what I wanted. But this thing is thick, and you can just tell this is not your normal table you would pick up in a big box store. It has a little clasp right here that keeps it together. Slide that up, open the table up, and that's what it's going to look like. One thing that I noticed when I opened the table, it's got a little lever here, and it snapped in place. And what that does is that keeps the table closed while you're unfolding it, and that is a great feature. If you want to fold the table, depress the lever, and then you can fold it. But keeping it open like that while you're getting it set up, that's a good feature that I haven't seen on other tables. Everything else, pretty standard to most of the tables that you're used to seeing and using. Everything works the same way. They also have this carry handle, which that will be very convenient. And there you go. That feature that I was telling you about, where it locks the table in place. When you go to flip that table up, that's when you will realize how good that feature is. Let's just quickly double check the measurements. It is 6 foot by 29.5 inches. The height of this table is 29 inches. So you do have the rubber caps on the end of the legs, which will help keep it from scarring your floor. And I want you to look at the tubing on this. This tubing is definitely more oversized than what you would standard find on one of these type tables, making it heavy duty. This is a really strong, well-made table. I kind of consider this like a lifetime table. You buy it once and then you're done, because this thing is so well made and heavy duty. You're going to have this thing forever. I like this table. I think you will like it as well. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.